Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with question words. These are also referred to as interrogative words. Here are some of the interrogatives that we've covered in previous lessons. In this lesson we are looking at the interrogative where. In Spanish this is ¿dónde? ¿Dónde? So ¿dónde? Where? Let's look at some examples. If I want to say where are you using tú, remember, for location we use the verb estar, so the question would be ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? Where are you using usted? ¿Dónde está usted? ¿Dónde está usted? ¿Dónde está usted? Where is he? ¿Dónde está él? ¿Dónde está él? ¿Dónde está él? Where is she? ¿Dónde está ella? Where are you using ustedes? ¿Dónde están ustedes? Where are you using vosotros or vosotras? ¿Dónde estáis? And finally, where are they? ¿Dónde están ellos? Or ¿dónde están ellas? That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.